Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to place an order on Temu. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, I do recommend that you actually go ahead and create a Temu account. So let's go ahead and actually look up a item right over here. So we're just going to search up a card binder, and let's say that we want to buy this card binder here for $6. You're just going to click on the item, and then simply just click on add to cart. Now you might select the prompt in which you have to select your color and style. So we'll just select this one and this one, then click on add to cart. So now our item has been added to cart, but you do need to go through a security verification. So click on the shape closest to the green number. So we'll just choose this one. So once you've added an item, you just want to go into checkout, and then it is going to prompt you to actually go ahead and enter your email address and sign up for a Temu account. Once you sign up for a Temu account and click on checkout, you do need to enter your shipping address. So right now, this right here is blurred out. So once you sign up for a Temu account, you want to click on checkout, and then you're going to be redirected to a page that looks like this. So here you'll enter your address, and down below you'll actually enter your payment method as well. So once you enter your address and payment method, all you need to do is click on the submit order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and place an order on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.